everybody, this is Adrian with Rare Garage Auto. Today I'm here with this 1994 Suzuki Carry. I'm going to do a walk around this vehicle and try to point out any imperfections it has and just show you everything that it has. This one's actually in excellent shape with hardly any imperfections at all. This comes with the Hello Special kit, which is pretty popular. This one's very nice. It's been repainted with a blue pearl. Or sorry, a white pearl that has a blue hint to it, which you can see. It also comes with the Hello Special 86 collab wheels, which look really good on this car. And the body kit's really aggressive. Go down the side. No door dings or dents. Just super clean. This is a really cool car. It's a huge head turner, especially if you go to any like car shows or anything like that. This will be the show car, car of the show. Everybody will come check it out. There's a little bit of a indent here and here, but very hard to see. Honestly, it's something, when you stand back, you can hardly see it. It's just there, so I'm trying to point it out for you. And I'm not sure how well it's coming across the camera, but this whole thing has a blue tint to it, which is really nice. Really pops. This is a K car, as you can tell by its size. It is a truck though. I'm not sure if you would want to use this as the actual truck, but the truck bed is actually pretty big. There's a lot of room in here. But this is excellent for like a weekend cruiser or something like that. Or daily. The Hello Special wheels. It still does have the protector on it, the plastic protector, so it's just protecting the lip, but those can easily be taken off. We just leave it to make sure that the lip is always fresh. And front lip. Okay, check out the interior. All right, onto the interior. Super clean. Only just a little bit of wear from over the years, but nothing of notable size or no cracks in the dash. Super clean. And this one only has 72,000 kilometers, as you can see there, and I think that roughly converts to around like 50,000, 53,000 miles. Everything works in here. There is the stock radio here, which, you know, these are little farm trucks, so it doesn't put out much sound. I think you can add your own aftermarket radio if you'd like, but yeah. It's always easier to use a Bluetooth tuner or something like that. This is a 4-speed manual, so it's not the fastest thing. I think the top speed is around 63 to 68 miles per hour, but it is nice for a cruise or if you're going to use it as a daily. The door guards are clean on both sides. As you can see over there, hardly any wear to be shown on this car, on the interior. The heat does work. For these little K cars, heat is only will come out when it is on defrost. And that goes for all K cars, even the Jimneys we get. It doesn't work for face. I'm not sure if because the cabin's so small, if they designed it to only work when it is on defrost so that the heat is going upwards and not adding to the heat, because the engine is located right underneath the seats here, and you actually do get a little bit of residual heat that you'll feel in the summertime, but not the wintertime, or sorry, in the wintertime and not the summertime as much. But Yeah, so, and there's more than enough heat that comes up out of the vents when it's on defrost. Gets really warm in here really quick. Yeah, let me see if I can get you to see a little bit of the engine. All right, and you can actually access some of the engine from under the seats here. Both the seats come out. And here is the K6A engine. This is similar to the engine that comes in the Jimneys, and I think the Cappuccino, which I think the Cappuccino might be turboed, but yeah, so they are similar. And these are 660cc engines used in K cars in Japan. Again, I think top speed's around 63. You have the little oil here, access, and your washer fluid. Yeah. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start this thing up. This is going to be a cold start. Make sure it's out of gear. It's at its cold start right now. These clusters don't have RPM gauges, so it is very, very light. These cars were made to be farming vehicles in Japan, so they do really well for that purpose. Let you see how it sounds from outside. This is where the exhaust comes out. All stock. Nothing crazy. And it is in its cold start, so it's still going to be higher in RPMs for a little bit. Unlock it and show the engine. I'll give it a little rev. It is still, again, in cold start, so I won't do too much, but give it a little gas so you can see. And then I'll hold it at a little bit of a higher rev so you can see there's no stumbles or breakups. Go a little higher. Yeah. All right, so if you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call at 206-774-0043, and you can contact us on any of our socials at Rare Garage Auto on Facebook and Instagram. And if you need any more pictures or information, just let us know and we'll get it to you. All right. Thank you.